Hello everyone, I am going to explain about elements of insurable risk by Sharath Hegde. Elements of insurable risk means under what situation are insurance willing and able to provide insurance coverage. First point, real risk. What is actual risk insurance? Risk is defined as a insurance is a possibility of a loss. The observe this definition is that risk is the possibility of a no loss. If there is a no possibility of a loss, then there is a no risk. Second point, pure risk. Pure risk refers to the situation where it is a certain that the outcome will lead to loss of the person, or maximum it could lead to the condition of the break even to the person, but it can never cause profit of the person. An example of pure risk includes the possibility of damage to the house due to natural calamity. Next point, legal risk. Legal risk can be divided into categories of specific risk and general legal risk. Specific legal risk is a chance. For example, that is a contract between a two parties would be considered unenforceable under the controlling legal authority. Generic legal risk involves situation where there is a no legal controlling legal authority or where the law in the unsettled of a particular issue. Fourth point, fair premium amount. If you have an insurance policy, you might wonder how companies calculated your insurance premium. You pay an insurance premium for a policies that cover your health, also your car, home, life and other values. The amount you pay based on your age, the type of coverage you want, the amount coverage you need, your personal information, your zip code and other factors. And next, last point, risk must be calculated. With the help of big data, insurance underwriters determine your premium depending on the likelihood that you would successfully make a claim against your policy. This decision is influenced by various factors, including your age, your gender, your income, geographical location, and your hobbies. In this session, I am explaining the elements of insurable risk. There are a certain 5 points: real risk, pure risk, legal risk, fair premium amount, and insurance must be calculated. Thank you.